Hey guys, this video is just about the 2021 Ford Bronco key and how to use it. This is Automotive Reviews. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, welcome to Automotive Reviews. This is the 2021 Ford Bronco key and remote controls. This is just a video with a tutorial, basically going over the owner's menu and the remote control. Now, the remote control, in order for it to work, you have to be within 5 feet from the front door handles in the rear of the vehicle. Now, the system may not function if the remote control remains stationary for about a minute and the vehicle battery has no charge. Now, the remote control battery has no charge, so you have to make sure these are charged. Now, there is an interference causing with the remote control frequency. Now, the remote control is too close to the metal objects or electronic devices. For example, keys or your cell phone. You can't have them being too close together, otherwise it won't work. Now, use your remote control to access various vehicle systems. Now, the buttons on your remote may vary depending on the vehicle that you have, wherever it may be, the United States, Europe, or whatever, so it may differ. Now, the unlock, of course, we know the unlock key. You press the button to unlock all the doors. See unlocking and locking the doors and using your remote control. We'll go over that later. And lock, press the button to lock all the doors. See unlocking and locking the doors. And remote start, if equipped it, press the button to remote start. Remote starting and stopping the vehicle. And of course, that'll be another video. And of course, you have the panic alarm. Press the button to sound the panic alarm. And again, here you have the blade of the key, which slides right out. Now push the release button on your passive key and pull the blade out. And this is your release button. You pull it out. Now, sounding the panic alarm, press the button to sound the panic alarm. Press the button again to switch the ignition on, to turn it off. So, that's how that works. And locating your vehicle, press the lock button twice within 3 seconds. The turn signal lamp flashes. We recommend you use this method to locate your vehicle. So, you just press the lock button twice. And again, changing the remote battery, which is something that you may have to do after you've owned the vehicle for a while, depending upon the battery life. Press the release button and pull the key blade out, of course. And the batteries are located right here. You slide it out. You push this up, and that baby slides right out. Twist the ding coin. You take a ding coin like this, and you turn it. And you do it. It's hidden beneath the key blade head to remove the battery cover. So you just take the coin, turn, and pop, and there's the key. There's the battery. And you can just take it right out. Now insert a screwdriver and carefully remove the battery. Install a new battery facing upward. And reinstall the battery housing onto the transmitter and install the key blade. Reminding you to do the dispose of the batteries in an environmental friendly way. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching, sharing, and subscribing. And have an awesome and fantastic day. Much love. And again, thanks for coming by.